Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I made my Instagram reel of a duck falling from a sky. To make this tutorial we will need two green screens that I will leave in a description below. Once you have dropped your clip in AE, go to Tracker and click on Track Camera. As the analyzing is done, select some points on a car, then right-click and select Create Solid and Camera. Once we have that track solid here, we can toggle it off and bring our duck green screen footage. Add keel light effect on a duck layer, then grab an eyedropper tool and select green screen to remove it. Now link duck layer to track solid and enable 3D on it. Press S on your keyboard and scale it until it looks cool to you. Then play around with X, Y, and Z and position it right on the car. Once your duck is tracked perfectly, let's bring a ceiling collapse footage. Link it to track solid and enable 3D on it as well. Press S on your keyboard and scale until it looks cool to you, then play with X, Y, and Z and position it right above the car. Let's check it. Everything looks cool to me. Now let's create a falling effect. Scroll to the moment where the ceiling is fully collapsed and press P on your duck layer to open position. Click on position stopwatch icon. Then go a few frames backward and move your duck all the way up. It looks pretty cool to me. Now we should make everything happen behind the car. Duplicate your clip and move it above other layers and rename it to Car Only. Make sure to delete 3D effect on Car Only layer, then grab a Roto Brush tool and double-click on Car Only layer. Roto Brush the car as smooth as possible. Once you are happy with the selection, click on Freeze button. As the freezing is done, go back to composition. Let's quickly check it. Lastly, we can add shake effect. I will skip that part cause I have already made a shake tutorials. Also, I have created 16 unique shake presets that you can get from the link in description. Check how it looks like with my shake preset. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.